La diabetes es la causa de muerte número 2, seguido por enfermedades cardiovasculares. Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Yo soy Eric Ramírez. Seguimos aquí en Silicon Valley, estamos viendo diferentes startups que están ofreciendo muchas soluciones bastante interesantes para diferentes mercados, mercados de seguros, mercados de salud, de movilidad, etc. Encontré a alguien bastante interesante. Ellos están atacando temas relacionados con la diabetes. La diabetes no tiene una cura como tal. Las personas tienen que aprender a vivir con esta condición. Aproximadamente la mitad sigue un tratamiento, un 15% de ese 55% lo sigue solamente cuando se sienten mal.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Estoy aquí con Lonely Storm. Es el CEO y cofundador de una empresa que se llama Pops. Okay, so tell me about the solution that Pops is offering.
So POPS is about giving a tool to the people that actually have diabetes so that they can actually manage the condition themselves outside of the doctor's clinic. So it's important to see your physician, but you can't be with your physician all the time. And so what we wanted to do with POPS is enable people with diabetes to actually manage their condition better so that it's not the leading cause of death in Mexico, which it is today. And so we do that by two things. We give people in their phone a virtual coach whose name is Mina.
Okay.
And Mina is with you 24/7 and is helping you be more aware of the things that you should do to be managing your diabetes and encouraging you along. So when you leave the doctor's office, Mina provides to you a coach that's with you all the time. And we combine Mina along with this new way of measuring blood sugar, which is the simplest way to measure blood sugar. And that connects to your phone wirelessly. And I attach mine to the back of my phone to keep it with me all the time. And so now I can check my blood sugar without even stopping walking.
Oh, that's amazing.
It is. I mean, and today the solution that people have as a standard of care is a test kit that usually is not with people, or if they need to have it with them, they pull it out, they sit it on a table, and they become very conspicuous that they are actually checking their blood sugar, and nobody wants to see that, etc. So with POPS, you can keep it very discreet, and it's very easy to do any place you want to. So those two things together.
And also the traditional way is you cannot track all the measurements of your condition, right?
Yeah, very good point. So in the traditional way, there is individual result that you see, and you see those individual results, and maybe you write them down on a piece of paper or enter them into a different app. But with the POP solution, that's all, or a napkin, and that's all right there with the POP solution. Right in your app, you can see your trends, and then Mina is actually helping you say things like, hey Lonnie, you wanted to check your blood sugar 3 times a day, and in the last month you've checked your blood sugar an average of 4 times a day. Great job, right? So she's helping you beyond just even showing you the trends.
Oh, so she's encouraging you.
She's encouraging you along the way.
Okay, so and tell me about this Mina, right?
Yeah.
So is this AI? Are you
Exactly.
using AI
Yeah.
with
So Mina is an AI-driven virtual coach. She is not overburdening you with coaching. She's doing what we call light coaching, so that you want this to be part of your life and not somebody that's pestering you all the time. And she's personalizing to you. So as an example, Mina will learn that I check my blood sugar regularly 4 times a day. And if I don't do that, she might remind me and say, hey Lonnie, you haven't checked your blood sugar today. Do you want to do it now? So just kind of a simple reminders and helping me along with my other diabetes management goals too.
Okay, so I'm curious. You said light coaching. Is there any specific reason about light coaching?
Yeah, great question. The reason I talk about light coaching and think it's important is because there are many apps out there to help you manage a condition like diabetes, but most people don't use them today. And what we found and actually published at the American Diabetes Association is 90% of adults said they wanted to use an app to manage the diabetes, but only 10% were actually using an app. And so we asked the question, why such a big gap? How come people aren't doing what they want to do? And they say, because the apps cause me too much burden. They're reminding me too much, or they make me go through a 12-week educational program. And so what we decided to do with POPS is build the app more around what people actually want, which is life coaching, simple reminders, simple suggestions, some encouragement messages, but not taking you through a heavy program of making you enter everything you eat and everything you walk and every drug you take, because those are the things that people shut off.
Okay, so, and that I can see that that's really aligned with your mission to that the people own and they can manage their own condition, right?
That's
By
very
their
much
own,
true.
okay.
Yeah, I mean, Pops's tagline is "Own your condition, own your life," and we want people to own their condition. We don't want to manage you as a patient. We think you're a person first, not a patient. We don't think you're a diabetic. You're a person, and all we're trying to do is give you the tool as a person to be able to own your own condition and manage your own condition.
Oh, thank you so much. So where do people can read more about your solution?
So at our website is probably the best place. It's
Okay.
popsdiabetescare.com.
Okay.
And it's a great place to see more about how the POPS solution works and to see some of the results we're getting, which are fantastic.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bueno amigos, pues si tú o alguien que conozcas tiene diabetes, pues esta puede ser una solución que podría ayudarles a aprender a vivir con esta condición. Tendrías una manera discreta de medir tu glucosa, sincronizado con tu celular, podrías llevar un tracking de cuándo te la has medido, cuándo no. Tienes un coach que no es un coach virtual, pero pues es cero intrusivo. Y pues es un ejemplo más de cómo la creatividad y la tecnología unen sus fuerzas para mejorar nuestra vida. Amigos, pues si les gusta mi contenido no olviden suscribirse, denle click en la campanita para que sean los primeros que se les informe cuando suba un nuevo video. Denle like, compartan, comenten, voy a estar leyendo sus comentarios. Si les gustó o no les gustó, qué más quisieran estar escuchando, todo ahí comenten por favor. No olviden que soy Eric Ramírez y hasta la próxima.